I was left alone. Alone. In the barn house, I decided this is not where I wanted to spend the rest of my life. So, I didn't.
One summer evening, led by her, I found a little boat tied to a willow tree within a rocky cove, its usual home. Straight I unloosed her chain, and stepping in, pushed from the shore. Maybe it was an act of stealth and troubled pleasure. Nor without the voice of mountain echoes did my boat move on, leaving behind her still. On either side, small circles glittering idly by the moon, until they melted all in one track of sparkling light. But now, like one who rose, proud of his skill to reach a chosen point with an unswerving line, I fixed my view upon the summit of a craggy ridge, the horizon's utmost boundary. Lustily, I dipped my oars into the silent lake, and as I rose upon the stroke, my boat went heaving through the water like a swan, and measured motion like a living thing. With trembling oars, I turned, and through the silent water stole my way back to the covert of the willow tree. There, in her mooring place, I left